Hey folks, welcome back to Family Investment. I'm in a mess. I've been busy DIYing the house, fixing stuff. But one thing for sure that I've been hearing, I've seen text messages from friends on Twitter that people miss stocks. There's a couple of good runs in this earnings. You got a Facebook, some people missed it. And then you've got the Enphase, you got the AMD, you got Nvidia SMCI, you've got the Palantir, you've got now today the ARM, and I think Uber, and my last one that I'm waiting for is Hood. Not everybody caught it. You might have caught one or two, but you didn't buy enough. You're kicking yourself. But all I just want to say is just one quarter. If the business is doing well, it keep hitting again and again and again. The wealth will accumulate, the wealth will grow. So don't kick yourself if you missed it. If the stocks that you convict to didn't make the mark, it's just this quarter. If the business is good as your fundamental analysis, it will do well, but it's just not this quarter. So don't kick yourself, don't feel down, don't rush, panic, sell, and just jump to the next one, and then things might happen. And don't even like punch yourself in the teeth saying, "Oh, I miss Facebook when it was 99. I miss Nvidia." All of us does it. People enter at the wrong time. Don't go to the bottom of the chart and go to the top of the chart. Say, "I could have been here. I could have been life changing." That is not how it works in investing. Timing market is impossible. And today I'm not here to say that, oh, I've done well here. It's not about just showing off, but it's all about the knowledge. Learn to share that you cannot time the market, but systematic investing can help you progress forward. There's a famous quote on a creative artist. He says that he finds his sparks of creativity at 9 o'clock every morning. It's like, how do you do that? 9 o'clock every morning. What does it really mean? It means that he wakes up religiously 8 to 12. He does all his work. By 9 o'clock is when the systematic, the brain flush of ideas comes out. It can be good, can be bad, but all his ideas come at 9. So it's that religious, systematic investing that you can apply in this concept. So where I'm coming from is you can time the market, but if you can systematically progress, 3 of my very simple basic things that I do is first is a short list. Yahoo Finance short list app is free. Pick your favorite stocks that you understand the business. Keep in there, monitor them, check out the news. You don't have to look at 50,000 stocks. You don't have to pick a stock that you don't understand. I don't look at biomedical stock. That is the weakest one I have. I don't look at oil stocks no more because I work in oil and I think it's okay for now, but not later. So I pick my tech stocks, I pick my AI stocks, I pick my defense stocks. I've got my list. You might have a different list, so think about it. Secondly, it's that religious sitting down. It could be once a month. I do it every single week because I love what I do. Every single week, Sunday, 4 o'clock, I sit down, I open up my notes, look at my notes previously, and then I go into the news. I pick my news channel, I pick the Financial Times, I pick the right people on Twitter. I go investor relation to see whether news on AMD, news on Nvidia, news on Uber, news on Robinhood, Palantir, anything. I make notes. I can't do everything, but within the span of an hour, I can pick as much notes. And finally, the third one is to journal, to write. Now I've got my iPad, I do my digital writing, so I can go anywhere on my phone to look it up. My iPad, I can look it up. The journal, but most importantly, is to compare notes. So there's 3 things: the short list, the religious study, and after that, number 3, that's when your journal comes in. If you do it, you convict, you will evolve. I've evolved to things like my buy trigger. I set levels where I buy. So when things comes down to a point, I buy. That's how I managed to catch ARM. That's how I managed to buy AMD on a dip. That's how I managed to look at SMCI going so up, but it came down. I bought my buy trigger. That's how I bought Tesla on the bounce. If you've seen my work at 174, which I released a short a couple of days ago, and it bounced back up. And it's not there to go show off. See, I know, but it's all about the writing down. And then I've got my risk transfer, and then I've got my valuation there, I've got my technical analysis. So much more I hope to share in future, but I just want to share 3 things that you can start off your short list, your backup study, and really your journaling. Hopefully this can help you progress forward. It's all baby steps. I wish I could write a book on how to do well. I'm trying to balance a family, I'm trying to balance investment, I'm trying to balance my YouTube channel, because I do care about the content I create. I do care about the things I share with people, because end of the day, I'm here doing all this from day one in 2019 is to share the things that I couldn't learn. I have to pick everything up myself when I started in 2010. The internet wasn't great. All you had was Monthly Fool, and those articles were utter garbage. It was just clickbait from day one. And that's the reason why I created the YouTube channel. That's the reason why I started blogging, just to share content like this. So hopefully you find this useful. Do subscribe, and I do create lots of shorts these days because shorts is really easy for me to create. I can create, and that's how I shared Uber and ARM yesterday, and ARM is rocketed. Uber is doing well, and I've got Robinhood to watch out for next week because there's one I think that if we could turn it on this, great. If not, they can Q2, Q3. I don't buy crypto, but I think having Robinhood could help with the Bitcoin rise. Okay, this is me for now. Hope you enjoy. Remember, subscribe, support my channel. I'll try my best to do it for free. Please do support, share, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.